Okay, I'm going to show you how to clean the filter. So first thing, you already know how to use this display panel. It's in auto mode. I go like this, I put it in service mode. It's shutting off because it's not using the program and the remote anymore. It doesn't know what to do. But because it's in service mode now, shut that so I don't bang into it. I can now release the pressure. Just very gently open this up, let some of the air out so that it's not pressurized, because it'll be hard to open this ring with all that pressure in there. It's usually around 20-25%, the pressure here on this gauge over here. It's usually about 20-25%. If it goes to 30 or over 30, you should clean it. It's getting dirty and you're not getting a good clean. I think that's probably enough air. I'll just give this a little bang. Take this off. I'll completely remove this ring. I'll put it here for now. You may have to give this a little bit of a, put your feet on the bottom. Put your feet on the bottom. Give it a little shake. Put your feet on the bottom. And to break the O-ring. There's an O-ring here that seals. There's no threading here. This, when we put it back, we're just going to shove it on. We'll show you. First we'll do the cleaning, then we'll show you how to put it together in another video. So I'll put this on the side. This filter just lifts out. It's a little heavy because it's got water in it. And we're going to hose this out. We're going to hose this out with the hose. You have to clean 3 things. The filter, this trap here. As you can see, it's full of leaves and pine needles. When you put it back, we'll show you how to put everything back. This notch has to line up, or you won't be able to get it all the way in. All right, so that has to come out to be cleaned. And then we have one other thing over here. Walk over here with me. Lift this out, and there's a little handle here. Turn it to the left a little bit, and you lift it right out, and you clean this guy too. Okay, we'll stop this video now, and we'll show you how to put it all back together.